Hello everyone! A lot of you are asking kung ano nga ba yung ginagawa naming mga digital associates, bakit kumikita kami ng 20k up to 50k monthly, at yung iba pa ay kayang kumita ng 100,000 in just 1 month. Too good to be true ba ang pakinggan? Pero yes, totoo po. Kasi yung pinakamaliit namin kikitain dito per day is 1,000. And yes, yung ginagawa namin dito is copy and paste lang po. Given na scripts, meron kaming ibibigay na scripts sa inyo just to set our local and international clients. No need to answer calls. Purely chat-based lang po yung gagawin mo and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Pwede cellphone lang yung gagamitin mo. No need na maging magaling ka mag-English at no experience required para mag-qualify ka dito. Kaya kung ikaw interesado ka din na gawin mong pagkakakitaan yung cellphone mo, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So, ano pa yung